What's up guys, this is Ref and welcome back. So this is just a quick video about the One UI 7 update on Samsung phones. As we all know, the Samsung released the One UI 7 on all their phones last May. And One UI 7 is really good update, which brings a lot of new features that you can take advantage of, especially if you have older phone. I've updated first in my S24 Ultra and our C Flip 4 received it in May. But it's not a smooth sailing overall. There's a chance in OS updates that your battery may hit, and it could be mostly due to software bugs or apps that are not optimized. And I experienced it on myself. My S24 Ultra suddenly need to charge around twice a day, which is very unusual. Normally, my S24 Ultra before the update can last a whole day or two. Then I tried to research it and I was able to find a resolution. With this resolution, I was able to make my battery life even better now in One UI 7. And it now lasts 2 days with 8 to 7 hours of screen on time. So, how did I fix the battery drain issue? So here's what we'll do, and mostly this works on Samsung phones. If you just recently update your OS like the One UI 7 and experiencing battery drain issue, you will just need to wipe the cache partition. So wiping your cache partition just clears any unnecessary files which may corrupt or slow down your phone. It will clear any lags or bugs and mostly help improving your battery life of your phone. It doesn't reset your phone or delete your files. And it is much better than resetting to factory default. So first, connect your phone to a laptop or computer, then turn off your device. Then press and hold the volume up key and the power button. Once the Android recovery key comes up, release the buttons. Use the volume down button until you are highlighting Wipe Cache Partition. Press the power button to select the Wipe Cache Partition. Use the volume down to highlight Yes. Then press the power button to confirm the action to clear the cache. Wait for a second as the system wipes the cache. And then choose to reboot the device. Once you reboot the device, expect that the battery drain issue will be gone now, and you will have now much better battery life in One UI 7. So I hope this video helps for those anyone experiencing this battery drain issue in One UI 7. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.